Hello everyone, this is Simran Rajpal and you're watching JagranJosh. The Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, or the CISCE, has officially announced the much awaited ICSE Class 10 and ISC Class 12 results. These will be declared on April 30, 2025 at 11 am. Students who appeared in these board exams can check their results online by visiting these official websites. First is CISCE.org and results.cisce.org. All students must have their roll number, index number and unique ID ready before logging in. These credentials are essential to access the scorecards without any hassle. To check your ICSE Class 10 or ISC Class 12 results online, follow these simple steps. Visit either CISCE.org or results.cisce.org. On the home page, click on the appropriate result link, result for ICSE Class 10 or result for ISC Class 12. Enter your roll number, index number and the CAPTCHA code displayed. Your result will appear on the screen soon, and download the mark sheet and take a printout for your future use. School principals can access the complete tabulation of results via the CISE Careers portal using their login credentials. They need to navigate to the examination tile, select ICSE or ISC, click on reports, then select result tabulation to download the detailed results. A comparison table is also available to help compare performance over previous years. Apart from the CISE website, students can also access their results via DigiLocker platform. Here's how. Visit results.digilocker.gov.in, select CISE, choose either Get Class 10 result or Get Class 12 result. Enter your index number, unique ID and date of birth. View and download your official digital mark sheet. Thousands of students across India are eagerly waiting for this moment. On behalf of our team, we wish all ICSE and ISC students the very best of luck for their results. Stay calm, stay positive, and remember, your hard work will always pay off. And for more such videos, keep watching JagranJosh. Thanks for watching.